Okay guys, so we came back from the beach and from the mall and we're putting everything together and me just show you what I got. Hermes. Yes. Let's see. So I'm gonna leave something myself. And we went yesterday to the mall and the store was closed for inventory. So I got these at Bloomingdale's. This is my favorite thing from John Malone. And I got it in Portland, guys, but I got it as a sample in Portland, and then I never used it, and then it came. Let me just show you. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I want to show you what I got at the mall today. So we went to the beach today. We were looking for a nice beach. Unfortunately, because it's like the rainy season in Hawaii, so all the beaches are like very rough when I surf. So we're not good swimmers, so we don't like to go to beaches that are like have a lot of riptides or beaches that have a lot of waves. So we were looking. We went to a couple of beaches. We just took pictures, and then we decided to go to. There is a local beach in town, right near the mall in Waikiki. So we decided to go there. So it was great because you can park in front of the beach and just go in the water, and so I mean it's wonderful. Okay. So then I decided to being that it was so close to the mall, I'm obsessed with this cologne from John Malone. It's Neroli, based on Neroli. So I went to Bloomingdale's and I got it in full size. So, beautiful purchase. And then before I got this, I went to Hermes because I wanted to get another cufflink. Being that we don't have Hermes in Portland, in Oregon, so I decided to go to this one at the mall. So you know, guys, you know how they are, high end to the max. And so I decided, you know what, so I tried a few cufflinks and I didn't like them because they were like kind of too loose for me. So I just happened to turn around and I saw the men's belts. And as you know, I have a collection of luxury belts. So I decided to go and just buy myself my first Hermes belt. So, by the way guys, you have to make an appointment to go to Hermes. So look how beautiful this is. So this is the belt buckle in here, and this is the belt. So let me just show you the belt buckle first. And as you know, they have a lot of different kinds. So I decided to get something that it doesn't get scratched easily. And so I decided to go with this one. And also this is like a very different kind of design. Let me see if I can open it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so this is the design that I got. Ta-da! This is the hammer metal. Just take this off. So it has like it's hammer. So if it scratches, you won't be able to see it, as much. And this feels very solid. It has the Hermes engraving in here. It's very solid. It says made in France in there. So I decided to get this, and let me show you the kind of belt that I'm getting, because I like to wear belts like I like black belts and I like brown belts. I think that goes with everything. So I got this very beautiful belt, and these are reversible. So this is brown one side. It's brown, it's chocolate brown, and it's black in the other side. So I can use it either way, okay? So let me see how. Okay, so you take this. I'm mostly gonna wear on the black side. So you have to put the buckle in here like this, and then you take press it. Okay, then let me just. And trust me guys, I tried so many belts in there because you know me, if I'm gonna spend a lot of money in this, I better get something that I love. So she brought me a size that it was too big, and then I said to her, you know what, let me just go with the smaller size. I think it's gonna be better for me. Okay, so then let me just bring you guys down. And the reason why I like this you can wear like in a formal, or you can wear. Okay, so this is the belt. Look how beautiful the edge looks. You know, it's kind of tight now, but you can make it looser if you want. I think it's beautiful. Look at this. Yeah. I can make it looser if I want to. So you know, it's very classy. And yeah, pump up. See guys? Yes. Beautiful. So this is my best buy that I've done so far. So I'm very happy guys. You know, I decided not to get the bracelet because they were too loose on me, so. But I think this is beautiful. It makes a statement. So I'm gonna leave the belt buckle in there, and I'm just gonna put it on those. And then she gave me some samples of different perfumes which I have in there. But look how beautiful this is. And this is very heavy. Yes. So I'm just gonna put everything back. This I'm gonna use for jewelry. Again, this is a beautiful bag. Just gonna keep it in here. And the box is beautiful. Okay guys, so that's my unboxing of the day. Yes!